Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own digital twins using iMimic. Not a generic AI avatar, not a cartoon character. I'm talking about a realistic version of you that can create content, appear in photos, speak on video, and represent your personal brand without you recording every single day. If you're a business owner, coach, agency owner, or content creator, this can completely change how you produce content. Let's dive in. So let's start by creating your digital own profile. So inside iMimic, the first thing you do is create a new character. But in this case, we're not building a fictional influencer, we're building you. Now, after logging in, click Influencers in the top menu. Click on Add Influencer. Now here, enter your influencer name, choose Digital Twin, and click on Submit. So in here, you need to enter your age, your profession, personality traits. Now, this is where most people get it wrong. Don't write one word like confident. Instead, describe how you communicate like strategic thinker, analytical, direct communicator, confident but approachable, data driven, persuasive but professional, something like that. So, this determines tone when generating content later. Next is clothing style. So this helps with visual consistency. Example, minimalist business style, fitted blazers, neutral tones, clean professional appearance. Once done, click on Save Basic Details, and your digital twin identity foundation is now created. Next is to set up voice settings. So go to Voice Settings tab. You'll see options like OpenAI Voices, 11 Labs, and Quen Audio. So if no voice is selected yet, you'll see the notification prompting you to choose one. So this step determines how your digital twin sounds when generating talking videos. So you can choose based on male or female tone, authoritative or friendly, deep or energetic, storytelling or neutral. So for example, if your brand is authoritative and strategic, choose something like a resonant or commanding voice. If your brand is warm and educational, use something like a balanced or a versatile voice. And select your preferred voice. Once done, click Save Voice Settings. Now your digital twin doesn't just look like you, it sounds aligned with your brand. Next is to upload your images. So this is the most important step. Click on Image Gallery. So you can upload up to 30 images right here. And for best results, upload clear high resolution images, front facing shots, slight left and right angles, neutral expressions, good lighting, no heavy filters, and do not upload these. So you can read that. And then the system analyzes facial structure, skin tone, bone structure, expression mapping. So this ensures your digital twin remains consistent across feature generated images and videos. So after uploading, you can set one as primary, set one as profile, and your primary image becomes the main reference for your digital twin. Now, this setup matters because your digital twin accuracy depends entirely on clear identity definition, voice alignment, and strong facial data. So, if you rush this process, your outputs will feel generic. And if you set up properly, your digital twin will look and behave like a scalable extension of you. Once your digital twin is ready, let's make it speak. So, this is where it becomes powerful. So, let's go back to the main menu and click on spokesperson video, text scripts. Now in here, you can choose the AI models. You have Kling, Grok, Veo, and Sora. Next is to type in your prompt. So I have mine right here. You can also use this AI feature. So the AI will enhance your prompt. Once done, select images or upload new image. And after that, choose the aspect ratio. Let's choose landscape, resolution, and duration, 10 seconds. Once done, click on generate video.
If you're trying to grow your brand online, consistency is everything, and automation is how you stay visible without burnout.
And within seconds, your digital twin speaks naturally with synchronized lip movement. So this replaces camera setup, lighting adjustments, multiple retakes. So you type once, it generates instantly, just like that. Amazing. Next, you can also upload your own audio. If you want it to sound exactly like you can record your voice separately. So let's click on spokesperson video from audio file. After that, here you can choose your AI models. You have Kling, Fabric, OmniHuman, Lightrix Video, and One. After that, You need to type in your prompt, and also you can use this AI feature right here. Once done, you can select images or upload new image, choose resolution, and down here, select from generated audio or upload your new audio. After that, click on generate video and wait for a few seconds.
If you're trying to grow your brand online, consistency is everything. And automation is how you stay visible without burnout.
So the system maps your audio to the face and matches lip sync precisely. Now it looks like you recorded it even though you didn't. So this is extremely powerful for authority clips, course previews, client messaging, evergreen promotions, etc. And that's how you can exactly create your own digital twin and turn into a fully speaking AI version of yourself inside iMimic. And once your identity, voice, and images are properly set up, you're no longer limited by time, energy, or camera fatigue. You can generate content on demand, stay consistent across platforms, and scale your personal brand without constantly recording. So the key is setting up correctly from the beginning. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.